the drag, because you'll get some bigger fish around here that'll bust you off otherwise. Oh, get this one out of the way. What you got? It's a Brembo.
Little brim. Well, don't wind right up.
Everyone does it.
Swallow the hook.
Oh yeah, they always do. Yes. Taiwan. Yeah. Brim's cousin. I try to keep it just bouncing over the bottom. 2-1. Oh yeah. Watch the other line there. Bring it right out that way again. Harry, just keep him away from the boat. Yeah, we can wind again now. It's nice and steady. Not too hard. Don't force him. That's a good fish there. That's it. When he's fighting hard, just stop winding. When he comes again, wind again. Don't force him. Just wind the other line up there if you can, guys. You're going to get a big tangle. Let's see what this is. That's it. No rush. Take your time. Slowly bring him. Always get it out of the way if you get a bigger fish. That's it. Steady now. Nice and steady. Might be a little jack even. Seems to be. He's going to the structure. Just keep the pressure on. Not too heavy. Not too heavy-handed. Was it a trevally or something?
Could be a trevally.
Yeah, it's real light line, so just go easy. Go easy. Soft hands. Don't force them. Oh, it's a trevally, I think. Pulling like anything, isn't it? Then you can go under with yours, Bob, and then you'll be free. Yeah, that's it. It's trevally. Little GT. That's cool. Nice.
That's good, Dad.
They fight, don't they? They just go on and on and on. They don't give up.
Did take a photo of that one.
Yeah, cool fish. I'll get a photo too.
Right.
Now let him go.
Okay, a video, then I'll let him go. Pretty fish. Rightio, you go, buddy.
Nothing out of the big one to go out.
Ooh, jeez. Stretch your arms then.
Got a fish on it here.
Little brim. He wasn't fighting very well, was he? And lazy. Ah, you bugger. Spiky. Very lazy, the fish. A bit more aggressive than the other ones in the canals. Brembo.
Yeah, just
Yeah, saw that. Can't even sit down, eh? Come up. Come up. Got to be wings flapping, surely. I don't get tired very quickly like fish. Fish, mother-in-law fish, I think. Massive mother-in-law fish, big mother-in-law fish. Felt so much like a stingray. Gonna fight it. Nice and gentle. See what I was doing? Just nice, smooth, pumping winds. I'll get the bigger net. Yeah, I'll show you the pump and wind. Let's get that junk out of the water. Just like this, I'll show you. So when you go up like this, you're sort of bringing them towards you, and then as you go down nice and slow, yeah, you've been deep sea, yeah, same, but just a lot smoother with this line because it's only 10-pound braking strain, so you can snap the leader pretty quick. And then when you can see him and he's close, then just keep it steady and wind, but just little smooth.
What do you reckon it is?
It's our mother-in-law fish, slaty brim.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, massive one.
I've never seen him caught around here.
What's that? Never seen one? Just slow, nice slow pump ones. Don't jerk it. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's the, I reckon, the biggest one I've ever seen. Normally get them at the Seaway more than
Yeah, we've caught him up north.
yeah. Yeah, they're common from like Bundy North, Harvey Bay North. Yeah. Yeah, big bugger.
Yeah.
Swore it was a stingray. See, just smooth, not too jerky. Yeah. So you can slow it down a bit. Yeah. Tire him out slowly. It's the mother of all mother-in-law fish. Okay, slow now. Don't pump and wind now. Just little shorter, smoother pump and winds, because those are tiny little hooks. Those they can pop so easily. And don't wind anymore. Just lift them up slowly. If it wants to run again, just let it run. So light leader, tiny hooks. Just got to tire them out. We get a photo of this thing. Oh, no rush, no rush, no rush. There we got it. There's a beast of a blubber lips. Look at those lips. Big bugger. ZX. That's a massive mother-in-law. Okay, swing around. Get a photo over there. You'll be right. Hey, mother-in-law. You ready to go?
Is this one good?
Oh, you never splashed me.